Welcome to Captura. In this tutorial, we'll explore the importance of photo organization and show you how Captura makes it simple to keep every memory in the right place. Organizing photos is the foundation of a great yearbook. With hundreds, sometimes thousands, of images coming from events, sports, and candid moments, staying organized ensures that every student and every story is included. Captura helps you manage photos efficiently from the very start. You can upload photos directly into the platform, sort them into albums, and tag them by event, grade, or activity. Whether it's a class portrait, a pep rally snapshot, or a candid from the art club, organizing photos into albums makes it much easier on you and your staff members. This way, when it's time to design pages, every image is just a click away. Here's how it works. Start by creating albums for major categories like sports, clubs, or events. As you upload photos, add tags for details, such as student names or activity type. Later, when you're building a spread, simply search by album, and Captura pulls up all matching photos. This not only saves time but also ensures that no memory slips through the cracks. When photos are organized, it's easier to ensure that every student is represented, that each event is documented, and that the yearbook tells a complete, accurate story of the school year. Plus, a solid system saves the staff countless hours, reduces stress during deadlines, and makes the creative process much smoother. As you can see in this example, one school is very strategic with its setup. Each event and a multitude of categories have their own folder. This thoughtful system keeps everything organized and makes page design much faster. They even added albums to separate holidays and showcase school spirit. One of the main features is the ability to generate a guest URL for an album and share it with anyone, making it easy for teachers, students, or parents to contribute photos securely.